rumors were true. And I had to see for myself. Son of a bitch. Thought you were dead.
What do you want from me?
Look, what happened to Claire and Layla was...
I had to let them think I was dead. I had to let everybody think I was dead. So I can come back and figure out who did this myself.
Well, it's a good thing I found you when I did. Because we believe that this guy is one of the shooters. Johnson Russell. And we got a source that says that he's going to be at the bridge in a couple of days to pick up a package.
I'm coming heavy, my aim steady, no one's ready. This place about to get messy with the blades of my machete. My game's deadly like getting hit by a semi. Dislocations in places that separate you like confetti. I kill this game in more ways than South Park could kill Kenny. There's plenty, so pop that bottle of Henny. Cause it's only a matter of time till they find a mastermind behind the divine rhyme scheme. Seen with my third eye. First I disperse my words of the worst kind. My first line determines the verse, perfect my first try. I'm a verse killer, a murderer on the mic. I take it further and turn my words into a knife when I strike. Stab your prefrontal lobe when I'm in the zone. Crucify your pineal and pituitary glands when I flow. Line them up in a row, sniping for target practice. My tactics cause tragic accidents. Just imagine the bodies I gather. You think I was supportive?
This is a classic case of not minding your fucking business. Now, none of this would be happening if you just died along with the rest of your family. Now, I can't put all the blame on you. My men should have made sure that you died that day.
You know what it's like financially being a cop. I would have loved for you to join me, but I know that you're a man of honor, the kind of guy that sticks to a code. You're a great cop. and a great friend. But in the end, money's money. When you're on salary, with the biggest drug and weapons dealer in the city, you're set for life. Not like you. Second-rate fight clubs aren't really my thing. Kill you!
Well, I'll let you two catch up. I, on the other hand, have shit to do. Oh, and this time make sure he's dead. Get your hands up.
It wasn't personal. What happened to Claire and Layla? They just got in the crossfire. It should have just been you.
Doc.
I'm coming for you.
How hard is it to kill one fucking guy? Get all the boys ready.
Another one.
Looks like you need another drink.
want something done, you always have to do it yourself. I'm having the worst luck ever.
Like fuel to a fire, needs to be fed. So please, Lord, give us this day our daily bread. I can't go on living life wishing I was dead instead. What the hell is wrong with my head? That's a question. Suffering deep depression, insomniac, dark as black, hell never rested. Confession, God, can you hear me? They say you got a plan, but I can't see clearly. Deaf, dumb, and blind, plus I got 10,000 demons that plague my mind. I wander through the desert, never finding the sign. Every day praying for the divine intervention, hoping for ascension. Wait eternity for an ounce of a blessing. Is this just a test then? If it is, what the fuck is the lesson? Is it a curse? Worse. Is it a curse? Worse. Is it a curse? Could it be worse? Could it be worse? If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Strike the devil that lives inside, for only love can conquer hate.